Fi yw Joe Williams a fi yw swyddogiaeth yr ymddiriedolaeth.
So I am Ricky Fraser. I'm a medical oncology consultant at Velindre Cancer Centre.
I am Ruth Thomas and I'm a volunteer at Velindre Cancer Centre.
Dydd I ddydd, mae allai fe fod yn unrhyw beth sydd yn ymwneud â cynorthwyo neu helpu cleifion i ddod i gael gwybodaeth trwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg. Mi allai fe fod yn rhywbeth llywodraethol sydd yn ymateb i bethau fel safonau'r Gymraeg, neu mi allai fe fod yn rhywbeth syml fel helpu claf i gael llyfryn sydd yn sôn am beth yw cancer trwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg. Unrhyw beth bach neu unrhyw beth mawr sydd yn gallu cynorthwyo a wneud y sefyllfa yn well i gleifion o ran teimlo'n fwy gyfforddus.
So I guess my key task is, looking after patients. And that's what gets me up every day. That's what brings me to work. But I guess my slightly more specialised role is leading the acute oncology service, which is really around managing patients who get complications of their cancer, who get complications of the treatment of their cancer, or the patients who've got a new diagnosis of cancer. Cancer's probably the most difficult journey any of us will undertake. And so if you run into difficulties in that journey, one of my roles is helping patients get through those difficult times and helping them navigate those difficulties.
So my main key tasks involve restocking the equipment for the nurses, allowing them to carry on their work and giving them the facilities and equipment that they need. It can be liaising with the aseptic unit to collect the chemotherapy for the patients, so it's all ready for the nurses for them to be able to administer it. And it can also involve speaking to the patients, checking that they're okay, if they're feeling a bit cold and they need an extra blanket, or sometimes having a chat with them and getting future appointments for them as well.
Lle special I weithio? O ydy, mae fe'n le special iawn I weithio o ran natur y gwasanaeth I hun, cynnal triniaethau I gleifion sydd yn dioddef o gancer, a na un o'r resymau nes I fynd am y swydd I weithio fan hyn, achos oedd hi'n gweud I hun, mae'r lle yma yn special.
The challenges I'm facing now are managing difficult treatments that have got side effects that are new to us. But that's because patients are living long enough to experience the side effects, and the challenges are often around needing to learn new skill sets and to manage these difficulties. But there's lots of people here with specialist knowledge, with specialist skills, and I think it's just really using that team to enhance patient care.
I think what surprised me and what made a greatest impact on me when I started volunteering is the positivity that is in the hospital. The nurses are very positive and very friendly to the volunteers, to the patients, to the family members that may accompany them. And it's amazing that there are over 70 volunteers at Velindre Cancer Centre, something I was completely unaware of before I started volunteering. I just hope that we can make a little bit of difference.
So where do I think we'll be in 10 years' time? I think we're going to be in a great place. I think more people will be living longer living with cancer, not dying from cancer. The potential of where we can get to in 10 years it gives me goosebumps, it really does.
Diwrnod Canser Cymru neu'r byd, mi fydda I, Joe Williams, yn gwneud mwy o'r hyn fi'n gwneud nawr gyda gwên ar yngwyneb, achos mae gwên yn helpu.
My name is Ruth Thomas and I'm a volunteer at Velindre Cancer Centre. I pledge to continue to contribute to Velindre Cancer Centre by fundraising as much money as I possibly can to keep on baking cakes with the children, selling them and raising funds for the invaluable work that takes place at Velindre.
So my name's Ricky Fraser. I'm a medical oncology consultant at Velindre Cancer Centre, and my pledge is to keep this fight going, to keep people living well with cancer, for people to live longer with cancer, and to keep educating people about the potentials we've got coming.